Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a lovely crustless vegetable pie quiche. I'm going to just put it out without the crust. Sometimes you don't want the crust if you haven't got any crust to do it in. I just like to do this vegetable one without the crust, okay? Now what you have, if you have inside, you have a capsicum and you have a zucchini and a sweet potato and some spinach, and you want to use it up. I had this beautiful golden red, green and red capsicum. I cut it up and chopped it up in little pieces. What I did then, I chopped that up in little pieces. I grated a zucchini. I had a zucchini, I wanted to do something with it. I grated the zucchini and I grated half of this sweet potato. Just nice piece of sweet potato. It's probably about a good cup each of everything. And then I grated an onion. Okay. And I've also got some spinach, about a good cup of spinach. And now what I did was I just put them all together in the pan and I just fried them up for about 5 minutes and cooled down with a little bit of olive oil. Just put them all in the pan and come beautiful. Yeah, just 5 minutes in the pan is lovely. Now what I do to here, I've put 5 eggs in here, and I've put a quarter cup of plain flour I put in there, and I put half a cup of milk in there, and I've got 2 tablespoons of the cooking cream in here, which gives it a little bit of extra flavour to that. It's a nice Philadelphia cooking cream. And now what I'm going to add to this, I've got here a lovely half a cup of parmesan cheese. I'm going to put that all together there and just whip it all up. And look, this is a lovely crustless vegetable quiche. Just put it all together like that. It's very quick. If you've got all those things inside and what am I going to do with a capsicum? I've got a big sweet potato, I've got a zucchini. You can't look, this can be worked with a little bit of bacon in it also, but I'm just going to make a vegetable one today. And look, once I've got all that all together, that lovely eggs and that mixture, I've got that. Now I'm going to put some pepper on this, because I didn't put some pepper on before. A lovely lot of pepper on. I have put the salt when I was frying it. Now I'm going to add this to all this egg mixture. Just put it all together. It'll take about 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. And just put it all together, and it's just going to be a lovely, you can have it hot or cold. It's really, really nice. Okay, just put that all together like that. That's very easy to make. Just give it five minutes in the pan just to soften it all up. That's all you want. And you've got those 5 eggs and that lovely, you've got that bit of milk, half a cup of milk. I've got a quarter cup of plain flour, and it comes a beautiful mixture. I have greased this pie plate. I put some baking paper underneath so we can just lift it out. It'll be very easy to cut in slices. I'm just going to mix that all together. Look how nice it is. It's just got all that beautiful vegetable and all that lovely. I've got 5 eggs in that. I've got a quarter cup of plain flour. I've got a half a cup of milk, and just I've got 2 tablespoons. Just use a bit of this Philadelphia cooking cream, a couple of tablespoons of that, which is really nice. It gives it extra flavour. And this is what you do with all your little bits and pieces of vegetable. I had a capsicum inside, a zucchini, a sweet potato, an onion, and you want to do something with it, so just chop it all up. I grated everything, but I chopped up the capsicum. I chopped up the capsicum in small pieces, but I grated the zucchini, the onion and the sweet potato, but I chopped up the caps in small pieces. There's a good sized capsicum there, which gives it a lovely flavour. If you don't like the capsicum, you can put another vegetable if you want, but the capsicum gives it an extra flavour. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour that in here, and I'm going to I've got my oven on for 180, and I'm going to give it about 35 to 40 minutes, which is enough to put it all through, because I've already given those 5 minutes in the pan. There you go. And a nice size. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a lovely 26 centimetre pie plate. Just put that baking paper underneath, and now I'm going to put some nice sliced tomatoes on top. Just put the sliced tomato on top like that, all around. Look beautiful. It's really, really nice. You can cut it cold or hot. Just put that tomato all around like that. That's lovely. And that looks pretty, doesn't it? Looks really nice. And look, that's lovely. That's a beautiful vegetarian crustless quiche. Really nice. And it's very easy to make. When you've got those little bits of things that you want to put together, a vegetable, I didn't know what to do with the capsicum and the zucchini, and I thought I'll just do a nice vegetable crustless one. I don't have to worry about making the crust. You can put the crust on if you want to, but this is just as good. It sets in nice in that baking paper, so I can just lift it out and cut the pieces properly. So look, it's just a quick, very quick, just put everything in the pan and just fry it up for 5 minutes, and then you've got the eggs, you've got everything else to put together. That's lovely. It's just a beautiful, moist, vegetarian, crustless vegetable quiche. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching my video. I've got to wipe my hands to cut that. Thank you.